Hi, I'm Boggs, a senior PPC specialist at Autoshop Solutions. Today we're going to talk about setting SMART goals when starting a PPC campaign. SMART is an acronym for goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based. Using the SMART framework for establishing your goals provides structure and accountability. Setting goals without SMART framework is like throwing darts at a target. A SMART goal would be to hit the bullseye before you're out of tosses. Let's go over some more relevant examples. I want more phone calls is not a SMART goal, but we can make this a SMART goal by adding some additional details. I want to increase the number of transmission repair jobs for consumer vehicles by 4 cars per month. My shop is in a densely populated area where people commute in their personal vehicles, so I feel that 4 cars per month is an achievable goal. Given my current CPA of $16 per lead, I think that $70 per month budget is a realistic investment to reach my goal. Defining the type and number of cars or calls you want makes the goal specific and measurable. The phrase per month makes it time-oriented, and knowing your CPA and budget help determine if the goal is achievable or realistic. Try to have at least 3 parts of the SMART framework: specific, measurable, and time-oriented. Your advertiser can help you figure out if the goal is achievable and realistic by comparing data and your budget. Doing this establishes accountability for you and your advertiser. By sharing specific and measurable goals with your advertiser, they can help assess whether your goals are achievable or realistic to determine where adjustments need to be made to make them so. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe for more auto repair industry marketing tips. Thanks for watching.